Hey everyone, it's Saturday. It's an overcast day. Looks like it might storm later today. I've got about 6 free loads of wood this year. So that pile there is this pile of green ash or white ash right there. So I'm going to finish splitting that pile of ash, and then that's a mixture of willow, birch, and aspen. So, and I'll show you something else too. I've got these massive slabs of I think they're Manitoba maple, but it's pretty. They're a few years old, and I haven't gotten around to slapping them out because I don't have a chainsaw mill and all that. So I might try and sell them, or just cut them up into firewood. I'm kind of tired of looking at them, and I want to off the corner of the shed. I want to build basically some posts in a firewood shed out this way, about 20-30 feet. So they're kind of in the way, and I'm tired looking at them. So if they don't sell in the next month, I'm gonna buck them up for firewood. So here's that pile of green ash. That's what we had left over from last year. Probably about a cord. It was all restacked. So we're gonna try and get this pile of ash split today, and then that should do us for the winter. Nice big chunk of birch there. And then get that pile of this mixed pile of willow, aspen, and there's some birch in there too somewhere. But anyways, oh, my boys split that the other day all by themselves, so that was pretty neat to come home to. They managed to pull the log splitter out and get that split, so I was pretty impressed with them. All right, let's get to it. All right, we got, how much do you think we got cut?
Ooh, I don't know, we were here for
over
an hour.
I think we got about a cord split, but it's starting to storm, so we're gonna shut it down. So we'll show you what we got. Probably split. A third of a cord under that, and then we split and stacked all this new stuff. So we did pretty good, but there's a storm rolling in, so we better get inside. So we'll stay tuned for our next log splitting time lapse, right, Connor?
Okay, let's go eat.